Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss exercise 3.2 remaining problems. So that is question number 17. If a is equal to 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 and I is equal to 1001, find k. Show that a square is equal to ka minus 2i. So students, here we have to give a square matrix and identity matrix. We have to find k when the equation are given a square is equal to k minus 2i. So first we have to find a square. After that we can substitute in this equation, we will get a k. So solution, given a is equal to 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Now we have to find a square, that is a into a is equal to 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 into 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Right? Now we can multiply both the matrix. So already we know that first row first column and first row second column. So this is equal to, before that first we have to check the order of that matrix. So both the matrix order will be same. Then the two matrix product will, their order should be same. Okay? Then we can multiply corresponding elements of first row first columns. Then sum. 3 3s are 9. Minus into plus minus 2 4s are 8. Next, first row second column. First we can multiply sign. Plus into minus minus. 3 2s are 6. Then minus into minus plus. Then here also plus. 2 2s are 4. Now next will be 4 matlab second row first column, that is 4 3s are 12. Minus into plus minus 2 4s are 8. Clear. Next, second row second column, plus into minus minus 4 2s are 8. Next, minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. Now this is equal to 9 minus 8 is 1. Minus 6 plus 4 will be minus 2. 12 minus 8 is 4. Then minus 8 plus 4 will be minus 4. Now this is an a square. Okay. So now we can take the equation of a square is equal to ka minus 2i. Already we have found the value of a square. And we know that k is a scalar constant. A is a square matrix, they have to given. Then I is an identity matrix, that is a second order, right? So now a square is equal to ka minus 2i. A square will be 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4 is equal to k into 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Then minus 2 into identity matrix in the means the diagonal elements are 1 and the all are 0. 1 is 0, 0, 1. Now this is equal to, so this is equal to, students, we can multiply this k is all the elements of the matrix. 3k minus 2k, 4k minus. Now 2 into. So now we can multiply same thing to the elements of this matrix. Multiply 2 in 1 into 1 2, 2 into 0 0, 0 into 2 into 1 is 2. Now in this matrix order will be same, then we can subtract it. So this matrix is as it is, 1 minus 2 as it is, 4 minus 4, then this is equal to, now we can subtract this two matrix with corresponding elements. 3k minus 2 is 3k minus 2, minus 2k, minus 0 is minus 2k. Now 4k minus 0 is 4k, minus 2. Right. So now this is, we can take any one equation. So already we know that these two matrices are equal. Now we can take 1 is equal to 3k minus 2. It implies that now this is minus 2. We can take LHS and then plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3k. Then 3 is equal to 3k. K will be 1. Okay, friends. So This is the solution of this problem. Okay, so next problem. Before that, please pause the video and note down. Okay students, next question number will be 18. So this is very important problems for 5 marks. Very important. This question will be in the 5 marks. So if A is equal to 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 0, and I is an identity matrix whose order will be 2, show that I plus A is equal to I minus A, cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. We have to show that. Solution. So take LHS. LHS is equal to I plus A. So now this is equal to I is an identity matrix, right? So identity matrix whose order is 2. You know that identity matrix whose linear elements will be 1 plus number 0, right? So 1 is 0, 0, 1. Okay. Plus A matrix. A matrix is already given 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 0. So already these two matrices are the same. Now we can add the corresponding elements, right? So 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus minus tan alpha by 2. So plus into minus, minus tan alpha by 2. 0 plus tan alpha by 2 is tan alpha by 2. 1 plus 0 will be 1. Okay. So now we have to take RHS. RHS is equal to I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha, sin alpha into cos alpha. So this is equal to same thing. I is an identity matrix, so that minus A is a given matrix 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 0. Then this is a matrix, that is cos alpha minus sin alpha, sin alpha into sin alpha, cos alpha. So first we can subtract these two matrices. So when we are going to subtract the matrix, first we have to check the order of the matrix. So these two matrix order will be same. Then we can subtract the corresponding elements. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus into minus plus. So that is tan alpha by 2. So here 0 minus tan alpha by 2. Next to 1 minus 0, that is 1. Into cos alpha minus sin alpha, sin alpha, cos alpha. So look at here friends, I am going to change this little bit here, because in this matrix tan is there, so here cos and sin is there. So already we know that the multiple and submultiples formula, right? So that is cos 2 theta is equal to, in terms of tan, that is 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Now I am taking half angle, that is cos theta. 2 theta half will be 2. Here theta is that this half will be theta by 2. 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Right. So here alpha is there. So I am taking an angle cos alpha. So just we can put theta in terms of alpha. 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. We know that, right? So half angle sin theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Right? I am taking a sin alpha because here angle will be alpha. So sin alpha is equal to 2 tan theta, matlab 2 tan alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Okay. these two results will be I am taking. Cos alpha is equal to 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2, and sin alpha is equal to 2 tan alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 in terms of cos alpha and sin alpha. Okay, so please note down these things. Okay, so now I am taking cos alpha is equal to 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2, and sin alpha is equal to 2 tan alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. So this is equal to 1 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 1 into, so cos alpha in terms of I am taking 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 minus sin alpha, minus as it is sin alpha will be 2 tan alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. So sin alpha 2 tan alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Cos alpha is 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. So I can multiply these two matrices. Before that I am taking tan alpha by 2 is equal to x. Put x equal to tan alpha by 2. So now this is equal to 1 tan alpha by 2 is x minus x 1 into, so 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square minus 2x divided by 1 plus x square, 2x divided by 1 plus x square, next 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Now we can multiply, this is equal to first row first column. So already you know that how to multiply two fractions, numerator denominator denominator. So here 1 into 1 minus x square is 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square plus x into 2x square divided by 1 plus x square. X into 2x square divided by 1 plus x square as it is. Next, first row second column, 1 into minus 2x divided by 1 plus x square, this will be same, plus, so look at here, x into 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square, this x we can multiply the numerator term, that is x minus x square into x is x cube divided by 1 plus x square. Clear? Next, second row first column, here also same thing, you can multiply this minus x in this term. A term को हम क्या करना, multiply करना numerator, x minus x minus into minus plus x square into x cube divided by 1 plus x square. Now next, this term will be as it is 1 into 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Next, minus x into this term, minus into minus plus 2x into x is 2x square divided by 1 plus x square plus 1 into this term will be as it is divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, first we can note down these things. Okay, next this is equal to, so this term denominator will be same, you can just add the numerator terms. These two terms denominator is same. Now take the LCM. When the denominator is same, just you can add and subtract numerator terms, right? So plus x square 1 minus x square plus 2x square, so same thing here also, 1 plus x square is as it is minus 2x plus x minus x cube. In this term same thing, just you can add and subtract numerator terms. In this term 1 plus x square as it is, just you can take the numerator terms 1 minus x square. Okay, so now this is equal to, this will be minus 2x square. 1 minus x square plus 2x square. So we get here 1 as it is. Minus x square plus 2x square is plus x square divided by 1 plus x square as it is. Next, minus 2x plus x is minus x. A minus x cube as it is divided by 1 plus x square. Here x plus 2x, x plus x cube as it is divided by 1 plus x square. Here 2x square minus x square is x square plus 1 will be as it is divided by 1 plus x square. So students, here I am taking this minus x will be common. In this numerator, I am taking minus x will be common. Then that is 1 plus x square. Here also x will take common 1 plus x square. Okay, now we can cancel out. Right? So this is equal to 1 minus x, then 1. So already we know that x is we are taking tan alpha by 2. So this is equal to 1 minus tan alpha by 2. Tan alpha by 2, 1. So this is equal to RHS. We can check out. We are already find the value of LHS. Both will be same. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So please follow the order. Okay, students. Next question number will be 19. A trust fund 30,000 must be invested in two different types of bonds. So the total amount will be 30,000. In these 30,000, they have to invest two types. That is first bond and second bond. The first bond pays the 5% interest in per year, and second bond pays the 7% interest per year. So first bond will be 5% and second bond will be 7%. So by using matrix multiplication, determine how to divide 30,000 among the two types of bonds if the trust fund must be obtained annual total. The total annual will be 1800. Then how to divide these 30,000 when the first bond will be 5% and the second will be 7%. Okay, so now look at here, solution. Just the amount will be 30,000. In these 30,000, first bond will be, first bond is 5% and second bond will be 7% they are invested per year. So then the amount will be 1,800 and 2,800. So by using this matrix multiplication we can find. So suppose we are invested in the first bond will be in X. In these 30,000 they are invested X means then the second B will be invested in 30,000 minus X. Is it right? So now we can take the by using matrix. So let A is equal to X 30,000 minus X. X 30,000 minus X and B will be is what? That is 5% and 7%. Why I am taking like that means if we have to multiply these two, suppose I am going to multiply AB, then X 30,000 minus X into 5% 7%. First bond will be 5%, second will be 7%. So suppose when we are going to multiply, that is this A matrix column, B matrix row, look at here, this is 1 cross 2, 2 cross 1, this will be same, then the matrix will be 1 1, just we can multiply, add that, so that will be equal to this amount. Okay, so first one A, that is X 30,000 minus X into 5% 7% is equal to 1,800. Okay, so same thing in B also. So this is equal to first column X into 5 divided by 100 plus 30,000 minus x into 7 divided by 100 is equal to 1800. Okay friends, now these two terms, the denominator will be same. So 5x plus, you can multiply 7 in these two terms, that is 7 is 21, 40 as it is minus 7x divided by 100 is equal to 1800. Okay, so now just 100 will be cancelled out this RHS term. So this is equal to 5x minus 7x is minus 2x plus is equal to, so 1800 into 100. So now this is equal to minus 2x is equal to 1800 into 100. So 40 minus 2140, right? So minus 2x is equal to minus is 30,000. So now minus minus get cancelled. X is equal to 30,000 divided by 2. 2 on the 2 5 are. That is x will be 15,000. X is what? 15,000. Okay. Okay. Same thing you can take in B. Same. Just you can take RHS is equal to 2,000. Simplification will be same. X 30,000 minus x 5 divided by 100, 7 divided by 100 is equal to 2,000. Already we are solved here. We can take directly 5x plus minus 7x divided by 100 is equal to 2,000. Okay. Now just we can send out these things. Minus 2x is equal to, so here 50 minus 2140. This is equal to minus 2x is equal to 10,000. So x minus 10,000. So x will be 5,000. Okay. They are invested this 5,000 and the total amount will be, that is 30,000 minus 5,000 is 25,000. Okay. Please follow it. Okay friends, next question is 20. The bookshop of particular school has 10 dozen chemistry books, 8 dozen physics books, 10 dozen economics books. Their selling prices are 80, 60 and 40 each respectively. Find the total amount of bookshop will issue from the selling all the books using the matrix algebra. So look at here friends, there are three types of books, that is chemistry, physics and economics. They have to selling 10 dozen chemistry books and 8 dozen physics and 10 dozen economics books. Each price will be have to be 180, 60 and 40. We have to find the total amount will ratio that bookshop. Okay. So now by using matrix multiplication, look at here. So here 10 dozen chemistry books. Total how much dozen? 10 dozen. Already we know that in 1 dozen will be 12 books, right? So 10 into 12. And the second one is physics. Physics will be 8 dozen into 12. And the economics will be 10 into 12. Into. So each price will be 80, 60 and 40. So why I am taking like that means this order will be 1 cross 2 and this order will be 2 cross 1. So this matrix column and this matrix row will be equal, then the matrix will be 1 cross 1, then we have to add it. Okay. So now this is equal to, just you can take out 12 is common, 10 8 to 10 into 80 60 40, just multiply 12 is as it is. First column 10 into 80, 800 plus 8 into 60, 8 6 are 48, 480 plus 10 into 40 is 400. So this is equal to 12. 800 plus 400 is 1200. 1200 plus 480 is 1680. So now we can just multiply 12 into 1680. So that is equal to 20160. Okay, so please solve it out. Okay friends, in this exercise these two are the multiple choice questions. Look at here. Assume X, Y, Z, W and P are the matrices of the order. So X, Y, Z and W are the matrices whose order is 2 cross N, 3 cross K, 2 cross P, N cross 3 and P cross K. Respectively, choose the correct answer in these two questions. So first one will be the restriction on N, K and P show that Py plus Wy will be defined on Py plus Wy. So here Py, Wy are the matrices whose order is given. So then it will be defined what it means. So option A, K is equal to 3, P is equal to N. Option B is K is arbitrary, P is equal to 2. Option C, P is arbitrary, K is equal to 3. Option D is K is equal to 2, P will be 3. So look at here, solution. Now here P and Y are the two matrices. Here P is equal to. So P matrix order will be. P matrix order is what? So that is P cross K. P cross K. And Y is equal to. Y matrix order will be. That is 3 cross K. 3 cross K. So when we have to product of these two matrices, P Y is equal to P matrix column, Y matrix row will be equal, then P Y will be order is P cross K. When K is equal to 3, is it right? So K is equal to 3, then the column and A matrix row will be equal, then the Py order will be P cross K. Clear? So same thing, next we can take W. W matrix order will be, that is N cross P, and Y will be, Y is equal to already know that 3 cross K. So look at here. So in this matrix multiply, when W into Y two matrices, matrix column, Y matrix row will be equal, then the order will be N cross K. Is that already these two matrix, column matrix and row will be equal, then Wy product will be N cross K. Right. So now these two matrix addition. So we know that Py plus Wy is equal to, when the two matrix will be added, then these two matrix order will be same. Right. When these two matrix order will be same, then we have to add up these two matrix. Right. It's P cross K plus N cross K. So we know that K will be 3, then P equal to N होना चाहिए. P equal to N रहा तो तब ये दोनों मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर will be same हो जाता, तब हमें ऐड करते हैं. So look at here, K will be 3, then P should be N. P and N will be equal when K is 3. Okay, so check the answer is option A is the right answer. P is equal to N and K will be 3. Now the same thing, if N is equal to P, then the order of the matrix 7x minus 5z is what it will be. Okay. N equal to P. So matrix will be 7x minus 5z. So 7 is a scalar constant x. Then the order will be same. X into 7. That is x matrix order will be 7 into x equal to 2 cross n. Then 5z. This order will be same. Z matrix order will be 2 cross P. Then when we have to subtract, then n is equal to p, right? N is equal to p already we have. So that matrix, so look at here, 7x matrix order will be 2 cross n, 5z matrix order will be 2 cross p. So now 7x minus 5z will be, 7x is 2 cross n minus 2 cross p. These two matrix order will be same. इस दोनों मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर सेम होने के लिए क्या होगा? P is equal to n, that is 2 cross n. 2 cross n. So P is equal to n. Already you know that P is equal to n. So option will be, that is option B is the right answer. 2 into n. Okay. So please solve it.